Hello? In today's gospel, Peter left his boat. And what happened next? He began to sink. That's a very important point because the Lord wants to remind us today, please do not leave your boat. Do not leave your boat. You will sink. And that boat where Peter and the apostles were in symbolizes our identity. That boat symbolizes our commitment, our mission, and the responsibilities God has entrusted to us. So at this point, let me ask you, what is your boat? Or what is your commitment or mission right now? What is your identity? Do not leave your boat. For example, before I was sent to study, I was a seminary formator. As a prefect of discipline, I used to remind seminarians who posted shirtless, nakahubad, or inappropriate photos, drinking, or posting things that could tease girls. Sinasabi ko, Brad, you are leaving your boat. Remember, you are a seminarian. So please, live according to the identity and commitment you have chosen. Do not leave your boat. Another example, husbands. If, for example, you remove your wedding ring when you go on a business trip because you want to appear single, kasi malayo ka sa asawa mo, delikado yan. You are stepping out of your boat. You are leaving your boat. You are leaving that commitment you made to your wife. Delikado yan. You will sink. Another example, politicians who choose corruption. Businessmen who engage in monkey business. Alam niyo, when we betray our commitments for money, pleasure, or power, we are leaving our boats. We will sink at the expense of the poor. Last example, as Christians, as followers of Christ, our boat is the Word of God. For example, if Jesus tells us to forgive is our boat. But we choose to hate and hold grudges. May peace ba sa puso? Di ba wala? Chaotic. Parang sa Ebanghelyo. Chaotic. Magulo. Jesus tells us to love. But we choose revenge. So, may peace ba? Wala. Di ba? Chaotic. So, when we leave our boats, when we leave the Word of God, we begin to sink. Remember that. Your boat is your identity. Your boat is your commitment and your faithfulness to God. So stay in it. Stay in it. Because when we leave the boat God has given us, sooner or later, we sink.